Hello, my name is Aura Saitodani. I'm from 6A LTI Night, and I would like to present what is or what are types or part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Check it out. And the first one is a verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. It is one of the most crucial parts of speech in forming a sentence. Example of the word run, sleep, eat. An example of the sentence like she sings beautifully. They are running in the park. The second is a noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are one of the most essential parts of speech in English grammar. Nouns can function as subjects, objects, subject complements, or object complements in a sentence. They can also be modified by adjectives, articles, or other nouns. Example of the word like book, water, Jamie. Example of the sentence is the cat is sleeping. I need a new pot. And then third, adjective. An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Adjectives provide additional information about the qualities, characteristics, or attributes of a noun or pronoun. It usually answers the question of which one, what type, or how many. Example, big, beautiful, red. An example of the sentence is the sky is clear today, and then he's a smart student. And the fourth, adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or a whole sentence. An adverb tells where, how, and when. Adverbs provide additional information about the manner, time, place, frequency, or degree of an action or quality. Example, slowly, yesterday, here. Many adverbs add in ly. And then pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns are used to avoid repetition and create cohesion in a sentence or paragraph. Subjects he, she, and objects him, her, possessive his, hers, indefinite nobody, all, demonstrative these two. And then preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between noun or pronoun, called the object of preposition and another word in the sentence. Prepositions are important for establishing connection and indicating location, direction, or time. Example, in, at, to, with. And then conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Conjunction establish logical connections and relationship between different parts of a sentence or between separate sentences. And the last is interjection. And interjection is a word or phrase that expresses student emotions, feeling, or sentiment. Interjections are typically short and often stand alone as a sentence or are followed by an exclamation mark. They are used to convey strong emotion like surprise, joy, pain, and excitement. And the example like, wow, that's amazing, or ouch, that's hard. Okay, thank you for my presentation tonight. Bye bye. See you.